everybody. Just picked the kids up from school. Had to stop by Whataburger and get my wife some food for lunch on her lunch break. But when we get back to the house, there's going to be a package there waiting for us, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. But yeah, we also have another car we've been working on the Texas Honda channel, so I'll show you that as well. He's at my house too, waiting for us. So as soon as we get to the house, I'll go over all that stuff. We're out here with Project Panda, and got this, what is this, rain gutter stuff?
No, this is the garden.
A garden. So yeah, that's a garden liner. He's making a lip for the Civic out of it. I'm sure you guys have seen this done before. It's not the first time it's ever been done, but it's pretty cool. I think it looks pretty good already, actually, just doing what he's done. But he's basically just using that from, what was it, Ace? Home Depot? Lowe's.
But you can get it anywhere. A lot of times they'll come though in like green and brown and stuff. So I was lucky and they actually had some in black. So that saved me quite a bit of hassle. A little bit of a guideline. So
There we go.
Hey, it's like brand new.
Ooh. All right, so we had to wait for UPS to show up. They took a little bit longer than expected, but here's the package. I ordered from this seller on eBay, which I'll put on the screen right now. I ordered a grape fuel additive bottle, and they said, hey, open this package on your YouTube channel. We sent you some extra stuff, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Don't know what's in here, so it's kind of a mystery to me. I know there's grape fuel additive because that's what I paid for, at least. So I'm just going to open it up and we'll see exactly what's inside. No idea what's in here. I swear I heard something rattling around that sounded like spray paint, but I'm not sure. Hey everybody, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, definitely hit the like button, drop a comment below, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely consider doing so. Be sure to turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So, we'll get back to the unboxing, and I appreciate you guys coming and checking out this video. Okay. What is this? Oh, nice. Got a banner for when we get a shop again. Whoa. If I can get it all the way out, you wanna hold that in? Okay, so it's the Power Plus fuel additive stuff. That's pretty cool. Fuel fragrance. Definitely gonna hang that up when we get another shop. So I love these kind of things. Real cool. So this is the seller that I got it from. Got all kinds of cool stuff on their eBay page, which there will be a link in the description, just in case anyone was curious. Let's see what else we got. We got these little cool pillows. No. Oh, more stickers. Yes, Extreme Racing products. Okay, I like. I'm a racer, so I love stickers. Oh, sweet. Got us some shirts. Power Plus. I like it. It's very bright color, so I probably won't wear it to work in. Me and bright colors don't get along to work in. That's awesome. I'll definitely wear that to like events and stuff. Holy cow. Look at all this stuff that's in here. We got multi-purpose wipes. Lubricates, penetrates, protects, and preserves. Firearms. Ooh, I like that one. I'm gonna go clean my gun after this. Oh, that's cool. Obviously, we've got their business cards, which I'll hand some of those out at the next local meet. And a hat, which I don't wear hats, but I'm sure I know someone who will rock this proudly. But yeah, it's awesome. And then, of course, what I ordered was the grape fuel additive. I ordered one, but they clearly sent me more than one. They sent me a variety pack here. So these are the grape. These are what we run the most. We got vanilla, watermelon, grape, and banana blast. That is awesome, guys. Definitely go check their eBay out and get some of these. Now, some of these are leaking, as you can see. That's actually a manufacturer defect. That's how we get them so cheap. But yeah, these are gonna smell awesome. I don't know which one I want to run next. Maybe Casey can test one of these out in his Civic or something. We usually run the Groovy Grape because our buddy Jesse, he passed away. He used to run 2 of these bottles to 1 tank. And that's a little excessive, but you always knew when he was coming, you could smell the grape. And he ran 4 of these, 4 of them to a crotch rocket tank with 1 fill up. And let me tell you, that boy, you could smell him from miles. I'm not even kidding. We called him Grape Ninja because he always, you couldn't see him, but you could smell him. He was like a ninja. Wow, so that's awesome. Definitely go and check their eBay out. They're really hooking us up. And, ooh, vinyl dye and wrinkle red. Nice. Yeah, guys, I'm definitely going to do a video on this. And we've got the vinyl dye, which I've never used the VHT vinyl dye. So we'll do a video on both of these. Just wanted to say thanks again for all this stuff that they sent. And we got more stickers. Ricer's dream come true over here. I'm definitely going to put these on stuff. Power Plus is definitely going on my car. I love this stuff. Awesome. I'm like a little kid in the candy store right now. That's awesome. Look at that one. We got some of these right here. They got 20 cents, it looks like. We got, oh, they have marijuana one if anyone's interested in getting pulled over all the time by the cops. Because that right there, that's how you do it. That's how you get pulled over. I would never run that. Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff they sent. That's awesome. I really appreciate this, guys. I know you're probably watching right now. I'm definitely coming back for more, obviously. I mean, I'm eventually going to run out of this stuff, but that's awesome that you guys hooked us up like this, and hope to do future business with you. They got truck bed coating stuff as well. So from Duplicate, I've never seen this style of truck bed coating, so we might have to look into this, guys. You know how much I love truck bed coating, so we might have to look into that. And then they've got custom wrap, the basically plasti dip in a way, so to speak. And they got the wet look that has the gloss finish. That's awesome. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to go through and order some more stuff through their eBay and do some videos on this channel for sure, because, I mean, they hooked us up. I might as well start using their products and seeing exactly what they have to offer on their eBay. I keep wanting to say YouTube. But yeah, so if you guys didn't know about these, you can add them to your gas, alcohol, gasoline. You know, they're made for eliminating harsh alcohol odors. I did another video kind of explaining it a little bit. It's a proven crowd pleaser, and when at the drag strip, you'll smell some of the funny cars and stuff like that run this stuff because it smells really good, and they're running super rich. Well, they're just dumping fuel basically, gallons per minute. But yeah, Groovy Grape's my favorite. It's very potent, very powerful, and I'm super happy with this. Obviously, I'm going to leave them A++++ for seller review because I was not expecting all of this stuff at all. So definitely excited about this one, the wrinkle red. Maybe we'll do the Panda Civic, which is on the Texas Honda channel. We're calling it the Panda build or the Panda project. It's basically a white and black Civic. Well, it's not white and black yet, but we're going to be painting it on this channel. So we're going to have some content coming out for you guys. I'm doing some stuff. Right now we're recording with a GoPro Hero 7, which is thanks to him. So just wanted to say again, thanks for hooking us up with it. Obviously I did work for the camera, but you know, it wouldn't have been possible without him. So we're going to have better recording equipment, and I'll be able to get you some first person painting. So it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, so I wanted to show you something real quick. There was the total $54, and we got all this stuff. At least that's what they put it on here as $54. I'm not exactly sure if that's what it is, but I only paid for this. Just real quick, again, I want to say thanks so much to Heinz Cells. I can't tell if I'm saying that right. HeinzCells.com. But yeah, definitely go to their website and check out all the stuff that they have for sale on there. Really happy with this and how everything turned out. And we're going to definitely be going through this Duplicolor catalog and seeing all this stuff, because there's caliper paints that we could order. Probably just contact them through eBay or their website and see exactly what they have, because they got the custom easy peel spray paints and the clear effects. This stuff's awesome. I love this clear. But yeah, they have metal casts and all kinds of cool stuff. So we'll definitely have to browse through all that. But we're gonna go and put some of this in Casey's car, and I'll probably put more in mine, even though mine smells really grapey right now. But hashtag do it for Jesse. I gotta do it for my bro. So but yeah, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. I know I haven't been putting a lot of content out lately. Sorry about that. We've been kind of busy and haven't had exactly what you guys are looking for. But with his car, we're gonna definitely be painting it white and black, doing the Panda theme. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. So definitely stay tuned. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have way better content than what I've been posting lately. So just be patient and things will get a little bit better on the channel. And thank you for all my loyal subscribers who watch no matter what I post. You guys are the real MVPs of this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Like I always say, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and stay awesome, and God bless.